Hello everyone, and welcome back to another In the Kitchen recipe. Today I'm going to be sharing a crockpot recipe, beef, veggies, and noodles. This is perfect for the fall and winter, but my husband loves this. This is a recipe that his mother shared. I had to make it for you guys. You need minimal ingredients. I've showed them all on the screen. I've already prepped my vegetables. I cut my potatoes and washed my vegetables off camera. To get started, you are also going to need 1 cup of water, your slow cooker mix. You need to pour this into your water and whisk it together. But basically you just follow the directions on that pot roast packet. I've already prepped my crock pot with a non-stick cooking spray. This helps with cleanup later, it really does, because I don't use the bags. I'm going to put my chuck roast in there, dump the vegetables in there, just like you'd be making a roast and vegetables. And I'm going to use beef broth because I want some extra liquid in my crock pot, and this is going to give it some more additional flavor. And then I pour the crock pot seasoning mix on top. And that's what we have so far. I'm putting the lid on the crock pot, and I'm going to cook my roast today on high, so that is 6 hours. If you want to cook yours on low, that's 6 to 8 hours. And the egg noodles we will do about an hour or so before the roast is ready to be served. So here we are to that point now. The roast is cooked several hours, and I am just dumping 8 ounces of egg noodle in here. Honestly, I probably should have used 5 ounces or 6 ounces because this made a lot and made a ton of leftovers. And I like my noodles overcooked. If you don't like your noodles overcooked, maybe put them in 30-40 minutes before. Basically, this makes kind of like a noodle beef kind of stew. It is absolutely delicious. Also, if you prefer more liquid, you should add more water because the noodles do absorb most of that liquid. These are just all side notes. This recipe is super easy. It's so yummy. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. We'll try it out for yourselves. So I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional In the Kitchen links.